In today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve archived chats on Telegram. If you've archived conversations and need to access them again, this quick tutorial will walk you through exactly where to find them. This is perfect if you want to check old messages, restore conversations, or simply review what you've archived. The process is super simple and takes just a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once Telegram loads, you'll land on your main chat screen where all your active conversations are displayed. Now, here's the key step. Scroll all the way to the very top of your chat's screen. Keep scrolling upward until you can't scroll anymore. At the very top, you'll see a section labeled Archived Chats. This is where all your archived conversations are stored. Tap on Archived Chats. As soon as you tap it, all your archived chats will appear on the screen. You can now browse through them, open any conversation or unarchived chats by swiping and selecting the appropriate option. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your archived chats on Telegram. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss another tutorial.